Wow, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is Alexander Nelson. Look at this. This is from the city of Desert Hot Springs. The last time I recorded something like this was about 5 months ago in Beaumont. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We live in the greatest country on earth, ladies and gentlemen. Never forget that. Never, ever, ever forget that. Look at this launch. Look at this launch. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at this. These are the signs of the times, ladies and gentlemen. These are signs of the times. And here it is. Here's the rocket. And I think that's the rocket launcher. I think this was from Vandenberg Air Force Base, if I'm correct. Remarkable and unbelievable. Well, not incredible and remarkable. Remarkable. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the sunset is just perfect for it. It's just perfect. Well, this is great. And I was able to finish up my walk just as I was coming back home on West Drive, and everybody in my neighborhood gets to see it. This is great. This is so great. See, this is awesome. This is awesome. And what a beautiful sunset. This is God's artwork, ladies and gentlemen. Truly is. In terms of the sunset, this is God's artwork. Awesome. Awesome. This is why I love doing what I do. This is great. Great, great, great. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. This is awesome. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is awesome. What a blessing. What a blessing this is. I missed the first rocket launch. That was about last week. Now I had the opportunity to record this one. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Awesome. This is great.